Welcome to 5 Minutes on Data. My name is Dotun and I'm the CEO of DotunData. Today we'll be asking the question, who will win the USA election? So last week, the Democratic National Convention concluded. It had speakers and presidential nominees and vice presidential nominees. Joe Biden and Kamala Harris accepted their nominations. Also, there were multiple speakers that spoke about the need for change in America and the need to unite America. So the reactions to the convention. It was a very great organized convention for one that was done virtually. There were many memorable moments that were shared on social media and many hashtags. And finally, there was a lot of criticism around Latino representations, and people felt like they needed to have speakers represented there. So we're going to talk about politics and data and how they relate together. So big data is actually transforming politics. When you think about polls, forecast, right, you realize that data is actually eminent there. And this data is being collected to make decisions for the campaigners and for the nominees. And it helps these candidates actually save money during their campaigns, so they know where exactly they should go and campaign and ask people to vote for them. So in relation to data science, time series regression is used for prediction. So in time series, you're actually predicting the future using a machine learning algorithm. And that applies a lot to politics because you want to figure out, like, in the future time, who is going to win a particular election. So what do we know so far about data science and politics? So we know that a lot of money is actually spent on data in terms of like collecting it and politics information. We also know that polls do not imply absolute truth. So for instance, if a poll or a prediction says you're going to win, that doesn't mean you're going to win. And finally, predictions in politics is a very tough problem. It's challenging because there's so many factors. And at the end of the day, you're not just relying on logical decisions, you're also relying on how people react emotionally to their candidates. So what needs to be done? Well, data still needs to be collected and evaluated in politics, and more awareness around data in politics is important. So the final question is, who will win? Well, the truth is we do not know yet. We're still going to keep on looking and understanding how the candidates campaign. So please share this information and share this video on your many social media platforms and follow me at DotunData. And finally, remember that your vote does matter. So please go out and vote. Thank you.